Uh, where am I? Where am I? I'm a chef! The fuck? The fuck, I'm a chef. Ah! What can I do? Ha! What the fuck? Help! 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 What else can I do? What is this? Ha! Hiya! No. Oh! What is this? Ah! The fuck? Huh? Oh, I can throw grenades! Oh, I can punch! Awesome! Okay, let's go. What the fuck? What is this? I hope you perform better than that last prisoner. What was the last prisoner? That's kind of creepy. Oh, control. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Okay. Creepy. Okay. Let's see. Control.
Trust me, you'll be fine. So long as you find the gems and don't die. Good luck.
Okay, I need to find gem. Oh, what? I love those grenades. Hello? Hello, someone you know how to... Oh, I found gem. I'm rich. Oh, hey. Haha. Fuck you. What? Huh? Are you pantry? You motherfucker. Ha! You die, you asshole. Huh? What are you? Holy shit! Oh, that was creepy. What the? No! Wait, I need to find some. Wait, how do I do that? Wait. Help! Grenades! Her! Yeah, I'm a pro. Oh, I need to find a gem. Find a new gem. Oh, there is a ball. Oh, I'm so happy. No! Fuck! I hate you. Oh, this is the gem. Oh. Yeah! I'm a pro. I'm pro, motherfuckers. Stand clear. Yay! I'm a fucking pro. Oh, I'm back. Ah! No. Yes, throw some frisbee. My butt is on fire. I see a ball. It's kind of creepy. Ah! They got lucky. Because I'm a pro. And I'm nice. Wait, what did I do? Oh, it's a cloud. It's like an apple. Apple 2, brand new. Yeah. Yeah. You get it, motherfuckers? I'm a pro. Wait. Fuck you. I hate you. I hate cats. I always hate. Yay. Hey, Jim. Fuck! I hate this. I got the gem. Oh, getting down in the clouds. I'm happy. So blows at me. Okay, we're gonna pay on this. Wait. This will kind of suck. Fuck you. Yeah! I am a pro, motherfuckers. All the cats, listen. I'm going to kill you. Oh, that. Oh, I'm back. Let's see. Act 1, Scene 3. Let's run like a pro. Oh, hello, Kathy. I hate cats. I'm a legend to them. so scared. Fuck! That hit me. That bolt hit me. Fuck! Yeah. Ooh, that was a fucking assassination. I saw a gem. There's another gem. Oh, there's a rocket. A jetpack. It's for pros only. For pros only. Happiness is you because I'm happy. I burn on fire. Yeah. I have a jump up to the clouds, upwards. I like my ship. Get this fucking. Oh, fuck. No. Bad caddy. Bad. Go swim. No kids. No! I just have that gem. Fuck. Sinclair is so happy. Oh, back. Oh, what? I'm back to the prison. Another cats. I hate you both. You know that? Spend your gems here. No, don't wanna go do this. Let's do this. I'm like a pro, man. Like a pro. Shit! Oh, you motherfucker. Shit, you fucking bomb. Hiya! No! Exploded like a baby. Wow! Ha! Take this, fucking catty. A pussy. You can do nothing. You can do shit. Ha! What an extra kill. You like running? Go up there. Oh no. Yeah. Run like you never ran before. Speed run. Oh, I have a gem. I'm never losing a gem. No. I so hate you. Yeah. No. I have a lux for life. Yeah. No. Yeah. Now we need to wait, I think, for the open to start. I go to eat your head. Extra gem. Go away. I'm gonna speed her. No, we need that gem. I need that gem. Yeah. A lot of gems. Yeah. That is to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Goodbye.